In this video, I want to share with you a GPT that I created that will help you cross-niche any niche with over 100 other merch-on-demand evergreen niches to give you really good and unique design and phrases that you can use for your merch-on-demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that GPT, I just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand. So today is Wednesday, February 19th, 6:08 a.m. in the morning. I already got one sale and one return, so sitting at $2 so far. But yesterday I did 38 sales and $44 in royalties. That's going to put me at 778 sales for the month and $989 in royalties for the month of February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link's in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So a really good recipe for success on merch on demand is to learn how to cross niche really well. If you don't know what cross niching is, it's basically where you just take like one niche, you cross niche it with another. So we take like St. Patrick's Day and we can cross niche it with like baseball. Put those two niches together and make a design that's going to be for people that like St. Patrick's Day and baseball. So cross niche is just a really good recipe for success. And so I made this GPT that helps you cross niche any niche with over 100 niches. And this is it right here. I named it Mikey's Crossover Merch Machine. It creates distinctive t-shirt design ideas by combining user selected niches with 100 predefined niches. Now, I do have to put a disclaimer on this saying always check for trademark before uploading any design to your merch on demand account, because even though I did instruct it to always check for trademark, I even copied and pasted the terms of service from merch on demand to make sure it understands and not doing any like human tragedy or anything like hate speech or things like that. So it does know, but it also is not 100% perfect and it can make mistakes. So you still need to do your you still need to check for trademarks. Also, to be able to use this, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus account, which costs $20 a month. There's no way I can get around that. That's just how these GPTs are. But let me just show you how cool this is and how it works. So all you do, you can upload a design. I just like to, for this one, I just like to type in a niche. So I'm just gonna go with St. Patrick's Day because that is an upcoming holiday. So St. Patrick's Day, and you just hit enter, and it's gonna give us a little summary about how St. Patrick's Day is a great choice, a great niche. And then it's going to give us 100 design ideas with phrases. And the way that I set this up is I have it broken down to certain categories. So hopefully my internet's working quick so I can show you. So here we got health and wellness. That's one category. And I'll go into each one of these so you can kind of get an idea. Then we have family and relationships. And it's kind of doing its thing. So let me pause the video real quick. Okay, so it has loaded, and like I was saying, it gives you 100 design ideas and phrases, and I broke it down into these categories, and these categories are like the main evergreen merch on demand categories that we're used to. So like health and wellness, then we got family and relationships, education and knowledge, careers and professions, that's a really big one, art and creativity, another big one, food and drink, big one, hobbies and interests, also another really big one, animals and nature. Then it's going to ask you once it gets to like 60, if you want more, you just type in yes. Entertainment and pop culture, social and political topics, another good one. Beliefs and inspiration, sarcasm and humor, paranormal like Bigfoot, aliens, events and special occasions, and then miscellaneous fun. So you can see it's really focused on those evergreen merch on demand niches that we know and sell very well. So let's just take a look at a couple of these. So here's one for healthcare. So here's like lucky nurse on duty with a leprechaun wearing scrubs, yoga, namaste, and get shamrock. I have to admit, some of these can be pretty clever. Here's one for keto diet, kiss me, I'm keto. Weightlifting, lifting gold at the end of the rainbow. So that's a good one for people who like to go to the gym. A vegan one. Let's go to family and relationships. So, couples and anniversaries, graduation. These are big niches. His lucky charm, her pot of gold. Okay, that's a good one. Again, you'd have to check for trademark, but love you to Dublin and back. Graduating with a bit of luck. So the reason why I like this is because it really helps me think like outside of the box. I'm not really that creative. The type of merch on demand seller that I've always been, I just kind of like see what's selling and I make like, like a copycat design, basically something that's kind of, similar. I just put kind of like my own spin on it. But here we're getting like original phrases that not too many people are thinking about, and they're very original and unique. So let's go ahead and take a look at some more ones. So like teachers, that's a massive niche. Sham rocking the classroom, with the chalkboard of Lucky Charms. I would have never thought of that. Math is also another big one. Science, I Shamrock Pi Day. Okay, so look at that. How clever is that? Here they're taking a math teacher and they're crossing it with Pi Day. We got Pi Day coming up. St. Patrick's Day coming up. This could be a really good one. Let's go ahead and take a look at careers and professions like engineering. That's a massive niche. So lucky engineer, we build rainbows with gears and shamrocks. A lawyer, I rest my case. Oh, gold with the leprechaun judge. Bartending. Let's go to arts and creativity. So tattoos, that's a big one. Ink me with luck with a Celtic tattoo style shamrock. Food and drink. Okay, so coffee, we know how big this niche is. Espresso your luck with a steaming green coffee cup. Beer, another massive niche. Let's get lucked up with overflowing green beer mugs. This is another, I've seen this I think with Thanksgiving. Cooking, barbecue, grill and chill with shamrocks. Hobbies, so video games. 1-up luck bonus with an 8-bit leprechaun. Poker, camping, campfire, clovers, and gold luck. Fishing, reel in the gold with a fishing rod pulling up a pot of gold. Okay, so that could be a good one. Hunting for luck with a camel style shamrock. Animals in nature, so dogs, cats, lucky dog vibes. Meowgical luck. Dinosaurs, Jurassic luck. Let's see what else here we got. Entertainment, dance, jig it till you make it. Science or social and political topics. Military, Irish warrior spirit, patriotism. Let's see, belief and inspiration, sarcasm and humor. Bigfoot, Irish cousin, the lucky giant with the green Bigfoot, aliens, take me to your clover. Okay, so that's really good. And what's cool here is that if you're actually part of my SKOOL community, you get access to my other GPT where you can actually take, a keyword, a design, and it will actually generate 9 more similar design or prompts that you can use. So let me just show you how that works. So like I was saying, what you can do is you can just like copy and paste this right here. Go to, if you're part of SKOOL, you can go to my other, I don't think I made a video about this one, the second prompt or the second GPT that I made. But let me just show you how it works real quick. So you just type in that phrase that we got from the first GPT, and it's going to give us some prompts. So here are 3 variations of t-shirt design prompts for you. So it's going to give us unique variations, or a unique variation, and then it's going to give us a fresh style and elements, and then it's going to give us a third prompt right here that says a completely new concept. But let's just go ahead and copy and paste this first one just to see how this came out, or how it will come out in ideogram. Okay, so here we are on my ideogram profile. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Oh, let's try that again. Why didn't it work? Okay, so maybe I missed it. I need to go back and get it again. Where'd the prompt go? Sorry about that. Okay, copy. And let's go back to ideogram. Let's try that again. For some reason, it doesn't want to work. There it goes. Okay, so the settings that I like to use is magic prompt on, 3x4, private, 2.0, quality, and then have design checked off. And let's hit generate. Now with this GPT, the prompt GPT, it can be sometimes hit or miss. I've got some really good designs, and I've also got some ones that are kind of a little iffy. But let's just wait here while it does its thing, or maybe I can pause the video so you don't have to wait too long. Okay, so here it goes. It looks like it is loaded, and look at this. I mean, me personally, I would have never thought about this, and this is a unique original design. We're not just doing like copycat design. So take me to your clover. I mean, that is really funny. That's actually a good one right there. Oh, I like that one. That's kind of got like the alien font right there. And then the next one. Okay, so this one, I don't know, comment below which one do you guys like the best. I think it's a battle between this one right here and this one. No, I'm going with this one. And then what I like to do here is I will go ahead and just remix it all the way down to 1 just to get some like different variations. See if I get something maybe even better. But take me to your clover. I mean, how cool is that? That's a really good idea. Pause the video. Okay, so here are what the remix ones look like, and they all look really good. Oh, I like this one with the coins like that. Okay, so it's between, actually they're all good. I think anyone would work. Maybe this one. Let's just go with this one right here. It's got the green. Okay, so right here we got a nice design. Actually, I think I like this one better. So we got a nice design right here. We can go ahead and we can upscale this, get rid of the background, put it on Merch on Demand. And now we got a cross niche, design, with aliens and St. Patrick's Day, a unique phrase. Have to check that it's trademarked, but like I said, it's instructed, it's not doing anything that's trademarked, so there's a good chance that it won't be. And this way we can just get like original unique designs, not have to just copy, doing copycat designs all the time. All right, so comment below, let me know what you think about this GPT where you can get cross niche designs. In my opinion, I think it's really cool. Okay, now I want to share with you a little bit about my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. So what I offer on my SKOOL community is basically trending or daily trending niches and daily evergreen niches that come with prompts. That's why I named it Mikey's Daily Niche Vault, because every day you're going to get trending niches and evergreen niches with prompts. Let me just kind of give you an example right here. So 4 days ago, I put out this post sharing with my members, was it 3 trending niches right here. So bro, it's Pi Day tie, and then here's an evergreen niche. So it was 2 trending, 1 evergreen. It comes with the niche right here. Here it comes with a link to show you of a similar design that's also getting sales. And then I have the prompt. So here's the prompt. You just copy and paste that in. So you get niches and prompts every day, and then you also get access to all of my GPTs. So let me show you what that looks like. So if you go to the classroom tab, you'll see all the 4 GPTs. You also get access to all of my past, previous and future prompts. But like these GPTs, this one right here is probably, I mean, they're all good, but this one's the most valuable because I think it's really good for like SEO. So all you have to do is just type in like a phrase. Let's actually just go ahead and use that design because I thought that was a pretty cool one. So let's go like this. You can upload an image. It's just really cool what AI is doing these days. So let's go back to where the heck was it? I need to find it. Yeah, so merch keyword listing pro. So just need to upload the image. Okay, so desktop. And what this is going to do is going to give you a really good brand, title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a really detailed description. And it's going to be loaded with SEO keywords. So here it gives us 5 title options. It gives us a recommended brand name. And now all of this is instructed to not use anything that's trademarked. So it knows not to do that, but you do have to always check and be responsible. It is not 100% perfect, but take a look at this bullet 1, this bullet 2, and then this description. And what I like to do is I like to ask it to make the description a little longer. Can you make the description longer? I think I spelled description wrong. With more SEO. Oh, I can't type today. Right here, you're going to see it's going to add in like a couple more paragraphs. So if you're like me and you're just like, first of all, I'm just lazy. I don't really want to spend a whole bunch of time looking for SEO keywords, for the merch on demand designs. So right here it's just going to give us a whole, like, look at this description, 1, 2, 3 paragraphs, and look at all these keywords that it has. So St. Patrick's Day, we got UFO design, flying saucer, pot of gold, Irish luck, sci-fi humor, leprechaun, shamrocks, planet, parade, pub class, celebrate. And it's just, you can just see it's just loaded, and all you can do, you just copy and paste this and put in. So, these GPTs are exclusive just for my SKOOL members. If you want to sign up, it's only $24 a month. It comes down to 80 cents a day. You can cancel at any time. Try it for a month, see if you like it. If not, you can just cancel basically. But so far I'm getting some pretty good feedback. It seems like my members so far are liking it. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content for you guys on YouTube like this, trending niches, prompts, all that other good stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and then make sure to watch this next video here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.